Taking the tent down there a few months ago. It's hot today. Hello everyone. And it's taking it down, and this happened. The elastic snapped inside. It's a pain in the arse. I've seen a lot of people. No, mum. I've seen a lot of people just throwing them out, and they're actually replacement sticks as well, because the tent is so old. I've actually bought replacement sticks, or whatever they're called, bamboos. So more recently I bought this, came the other day, military elastic, same 3mm from Temu. So I'm going to replace it today. Hopefully it works. Keep you posted. Okay, I've laced it all the way through. I'm going to tie a knot here and then pull it back. So yeah, that's about it. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to leave it relatively loose so it doesn't snap, because my thought mechanism is when you're actually doing the tent, it's all the spines are linked together. So the elastic is just basically to keep them together so you don't lose them. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So here's my thinking. I'm going to cut it around here, make the big knot. It's meant to be, the knot now would be stuck up there because it's all linked. I'm just thinking it's better to have it loose, a little bit loose. It'll be a bit more of a fucker when I'm putting the actual tent together, but I'm thinking less stress. This shit is Temu, so I don't want to put it under too much stress, and hopefully without much stress it will last longer. So yeah. So guys, a very short video today. Tied off all the Temu elastics, the replacement elastics on the tent. It seems to have worked fine. So that's over the last few years I've replaced, there's replacement spines or whatever they're called in there. Replacement spines, so I've replaced some spines and the elastic now. So the tent is getting old, but I take care of it, maintain it. The only thing is now, if anyone's into camping, it is quite too big because it's a 2-room 3-and-3. I'd much prefer now in these days just a 3, so I could just stick it up quite quickly. This takes a lot of energy, and in the Serbian weather it's a pain in the guza. So yeah, just replacement elastic into the spines of the tent, save the tent, and now she's away and we can use it again. God bless everyone.